How to turn on text alerts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Notifications. On this Notifications page, you manage how notifications from your apps are delivered and displayed. In the Display As section, you can choose how notifications appear on your lock screen, changing the layout from stack to list, count, and back to stack. Now, scroll down the list of apps to find and tap on Messages. Here, you can manage all the notification settings specifically for the Messages app. Toggle on the main Allow Notification switch at the top if it's off. Under the Alert section, you can select where notifications appear, such as on the lock screen or in the Notification Center. Tap on Banner Style to choose if alerts are temporary or persistent. To change the sound, tap on Sounds. Here, you can choose from a list of different alert tones. Following these steps, you can easily turn on text alerts on an iPhone.